Dude is breaking into a house. Credit card. Door. He's in. Now, just like that, that person's vulnerable. Back out. Big old bag of stuff. Boom! What's up, guys? Byron Rodgers. Tactical protection review. Learn protection strategies from a protection professional, right? Dude's breaking into a house. What can we learn from it? This is all about the soft skills, live a safer pattern of life, right? You ain't got time to go to the dojo for 10 years. Maybe you don't have time to go to the range, but how can we help people live a safer pattern of life, right? This is applicable to everyone. Share this video to your loved ones, your friends, so that they can all get these ideas in their minds and live a safer, have better and safer lives. I would say the real question is this. Imagine this is your front door. How much time does it take this guy? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds. He is standing at that front door to make entry to that home. And now you are right of bang, right? Like left of bang, timeline, everything on the left side of bang, the attack, and then timeline, everything on the right side. You want to get as much done as you can on the left side. There's an amazing book about this. I did not come up with this. This is something we learned in the Marine Corps. Look up the book Left of Bang, up your protection, your PQ, your protection quotient, right? So check it out. Left of bang, here we are for 10 seconds. Then the guy gets in. How can we get ahead of this whole dynamic, right? Looks like this person's living in an apartment complex, all right? So what can you do? You can put motion sensor lights possibly in your walkway, depending on what they'll allow you to do. So that when someone walks up to your door, boom, they're hit with light. I mean belligerent light. I mean offensive amounts of light, okay? So that one, in your front room, if you're sitting there on the couch, that's your first indicator, okay? Boom, there's a light that goes off up there. 2, there's companies competing right now. Ring doorbell systems, all those systems that put a camera that is a motion sensing camera at your door, so you can see if someone's standing there in what they think is the blind spot. You can see where this guy's standing here. He thinks he's found a little blind spot here in the corner, and he's working that blind spot until he's ready to make his attack in about 10 seconds. So make sure you have all avenues of approach to your door and areas around your door covered as best you can. Light, observation, we're talking cameras, right? One of the other best early detection systems is a dog. And many of you know, a little dog actually does do a great job at making sure no one, known or unknown, gets in or close to your house without alerting you. Big dogs are great, but if they don't have bite training, don't kid yourself, your dog's not probably going to fight another human being. He's used to submitting to you his entire life. So some dogs do have tremendous instincts for protection, like Connie Corsos. I have a Connie Corso, a Doberman. You know, come to my house, you're gonna have to deal with about 250 pounds of dog, right? But I mainly have them there for noise pollution, to make sure that I'm aware of anyone who's coming in, and then obviously as skirmishers for the scrap while I get out my arsenal, right? Or my arsenal, right? So anyways, dogs, great tool. Probably one of the best tools in the game to let you know if someone's trying to get in your house, okay? So lights, cameras, dogs. If you don't like dogs, lights, cameras, there are other devices that are made. You can look them up on Amazon. You put them in your door, at your doorway, and anytime the beam's broken, bing bong, bing bong.
Just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
Boom. All of a sudden, you're getting another type of audible notification that your door has been opened. Might be kind of annoying from time to time, but it is nice to know anytime your front door is open for multiple reasons. These are all notification devices. Then going into the home, where is everything in your home? Look at this, 10 seconds, my man makes it in the room. Okay, boom, he walks in. 7:39, he's in the house. 2 minutes, he's back out of the house with the stuff he wants. But what if you're in there? Now, from the moment he breaches that door, hopefully you had a heads up. Where are we at? 10 seconds? From 10, if you had no notification device from the time that door is opening, 12 seconds. What if you're sitting on the front couch? Do you have anything nearby that you can access to defend yourself as an equalizer if you're not a very physically potent individual like myself? If you're not a man, like a 240-pound dude, right? Do you have, and even then, what if he has a gun? What if he has a force multiplier himself? Do you have anything nearby that you can use in the common areas of your home that you or your family members generally reside? The flip side of that same coin, do you have medical supplies? What if you do get into a scrap with this guy and he does have a knife and he does cut you and stab you, because it's knife fighting's like swimming, everyone's gonna get wet, or he does have a gun and you guys get into a close quarters gunfight and you get shot and he gets shot, which happens often. Then what, right? Do you have the medical equipment to sustain life, his life and or your life, until law enforcement arrives, right? And what do you want to do? We write the report before it starts, baby, right? Boom, we get into an altercation, and then what? We go from taking life as a tool to save life into saving life. And that's going to look a lot better for the fight after the fight that almost invariably ensues during after a violent altercation like this. So we think about it all, take it all, implement it in your life, share this with people. These things are happening all around the world right now, today. They just may not have happened to you yet, and I'm here to help you be as prepared as possible. Hit the link underneath the screen. Join us at the Protector Nation, protectornation.com. Learn the strategies for living a safer pattern of life from the comfort of your own home. Let's make the world a safer place by helping good people be more willing, capable, and prepared. Yes, by helping good people become more dangerous. This is Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade, out. Boom!